Another Iran war shocker. Is your food plate going to get expensive next? So hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is Iran war, agrochemical stress and inflation worry. Now, farmers need fertilizer and pesticides to grow crops. We all know that. Many of these are made using chemicals that come from countries like Iran. And now, because of tensions and conflict involving Iran, the supply of these important chemicals is getting disturbed. And the result is farming is becoming costlier and food prices may rise, inflation may increase. So what the article is saying in simple terms, war affects farming indirectly. How is that? Conflict in Iran disrupts supply of raw materials for fertilizers and agrochemicals as well, and these are essential for crops like wheat, rice and sugarcane as well. So India depends a lot on imports. We all know that. And India imports many key inputs like ammonia, urea related materials. If supply stops or become costly, farmers suffer and prices are rising. And fertilizer prices are increasing globally. Government may need to give more subsidies. Short-term relief exists, but India currently has enough food stock like wheat and rice. We already have enough. So immediate crisis is avoided. But long-term risk is real. If war continues, supply chain disruption happens and higher food inflation is bound to happen. Now there are multiple dimensions of this. The first is the economical dimension. Now see, higher fertilizer costs will lead to higher farming costs, will lead to food inflation. Then there is an agricultural dimension. What is that? Farmers may use less fertilizer, lower crop yield impacts food security in long term. Then there is a geopolitical dimension in this. Now what is that? India's dependence on West Asia shows a strategic vulnerability. Conflicts in one region affects global food systems. Then there is a supply chain dimension. Now, war disrupts shipping routes and trade. Even if India wants to buy, supply may not reach on time. And lastly, there is a social dimension. Now, what is that? See, rising food prices hit poor people the most. So, poor will be the one who will be hit the most and can increase the inequality and distress in India. Now, let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this whole article. This becomes highly important in GS paper 3, economy and agriculture. Then this becomes highly important in GS paper 2, international relations. Then for essay also this article is very important, and for interview purpose also this article is a gold mine. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.